Good morning, students. For today's session, the topic which is Grebec normal form. Okay, so we have already completed the form that is a Chomsky normal form. Okay, what are the rules we should follow in the Chomsky normal form? Actually, the production rules which are in the form of what? Actually, there are two types of productions are only available in Chomsky normal form. So kindly post in the chat box Chomsky normal form. The formation of a production rule. It can only support two designs, that is two forms. It can only support two types of production rules. Okay, Chomsky normal form. I'm asking you to post in the chat box. The rules which is followed in Chomsky normal form. Okay. Yes, Nandini, which is right, and Maulika, actually the rule, second rule. Okay, actually there are two rules. The first rule, which is non-terminal, produce two non-terminal, and a non-terminal produce a single terminal. Okay, these are only two productions which are available and supported by Chomsky normal form. Then the next normal form, which is Grebec normal form. Okay, so compared with the Chomsky normal form, it is somewhat difficult. Okay, and the rule. See the rule which is non-terminal produce one terminal. So every production starts with one terminal. After the one terminal, any number of non-terminals. Okay, this is one rule, and it also supports non-terminal produce a single terminal. Okay, it is also supported by Grebec normal form. In the Chomsky normal form, we have to follow some steps. Before converting grammar into Chomsky normal form, the grammar should be in the form of a simplification. There should be a steps to be followed before a Grebec Chomsky normal form has been applied. That is, the first one, removal of null production, removal of unique production, then removal of useless symbols. So on removal of useless symbol means you have to find first useful symbol with these two steps, like what are all the symbols are generating, then what are all the symbols are reachable. Okay, so other than these, the symbols are coming to the category of useless symbol. You can eliminate the production. Some rules are there. Okay, so Grebec normal form also have some lemma. We called it as rule, not rule. It's a lemma. There are two lemmas are available in Grebec normal form. Okay, so lemma means a short form of a theorem. Okay, the theorem is in the form of a short, brief means which is lemma. So the rule has been followed in the Grebec normal form, which is non-terminal produce one terminal, starting with one terminal and any number of, followed by any number of non-terminals. And one more rule, that is non-terminal produce a single terminal. So lemma 1. So we coming to lemma 1. See here, grammar, which is equal to VTPS. So very known tuples. VTPS, which is non-terminal, V terminal, P production rules, P as starting symbol, which is the context-free grammar, right? So let A, one form of production, like A produce alpha 1, B alpha 2, be a production in B, okay? And also in another production, like B produce beta 1, beta 2, etc. Okay, so this is grammar G1, grammar G. Next, I will convert this G into G1, which is V comma T comma P1 comma S, obtained from G by deleting the production. Okay, see the production actually here. The actual rule which is here. see some replacement or performing over under productions, like A produce alpha 1 B alpha 2, which is turned into convert into A produce alpha 1 beta 1 alpha 2, some replacement. See, okay, so in the place of B, so the lemma 1, which is the very simple rule, actually compare with lemma 2. So lemma 1, which is very simple, so lemma 1 means some replacement uh, that had been happened in the existing production. So here, yeah, so instead of using B, I'm going to apply in the place of B, which is the B productions. Okay, that is very simple. See here, here the B is there. In the next line, it is converted into B. In the place of B, it is replaced by B production. Okay, so lemma 1, which is nothing but some replacement. Okay, so in the place, I will replace B with B productions. Okay, very simple rule, just a replacement. That is lemma 1, but it looked like the definition, that is TOC concept is very simple, but it's look like definition, some that I already told you, some styles are there. Okay, so if you are don't directly tell me the words like some replacement. I have to make some replacement over another production. It has some form. So G, VTPS. So this is the style of theory of computation. Okay, so that G, which is converted into G1, that is also VT P1. Yes, that is production rule P, which is converted into P1. So thus, language of G and language of G1 both are same. Okay, because some replacement happened over on G1, but the thing is same. Okay, the language accepted by G, which is also accepted by G1. This is the lemma 1, definition of lemma 1. Okay, so see here the definition of a lemma 2. Okay, so in the lemma 2, again on grammar, DTPS, be a context free grammar, and one production is there. A produce A alpha 1 or A alpha 2, some one production. Some remaining production, A produce beta 1 beta 2. Okay, so this is one production and this is one more production, remaining A production is, and G1 I will convert in the G1. See here, so I will add one more non-terminal B. Okay, so this is user defined name. Okay, you can give any other name. So the non-terminal we will add in the lemma 2. Based on lemma 2, we will add one more non-terminal to the existing non-terminal. So that is why B union B, then T. So the P production, which is converted into P1 production. Okay, uh, so actually, see here, this is A produce this is one production. This is one production. A produce A alpha 1, A alpha 2. Okay, this is one production. A produce beta 1, beta 2 up to beta n. This is one production. See, this is replaced by, this is the resulting production. A produce beta 1, A produce beta 1 up and with B. Okay, then B, which is the added non-terminal. Okay, I will add one more non-terminal. Okay, based on lemma 2. Actually, this is called left recursion. The left recursion, that concept is, you can see the concept in very detail in the next semester compiler design. Left recursion. So left recursion, which means see A produce A alpha 1. Okay, this is the example of left recursion. What means non-terminal A starting with non-terminal A. Okay, if B produce B alpha 1 means non-terminal B again starting with non-terminal B. This is left recursion. Okay, so these kind of production rules, which is called left recursion, we have to remove a left recursion. Okay, so that is the goal of lemma 2. So So these two production, actually, these two production which is converted into A gives beta 1, A gives beta 1, again append with B. So B gives the remaining alpha 1. So again we produce alpha 1 B. Okay, so this is the important production lemma. Okay, which have been applied in your problem. Okay, let us see one problem. Then it will be easy for you to understand lemma 2 as well as lemma 1. Okay, so this is so two lemmas playing an important role in Quebec normal form. Lemma 1, it is nothing but very simple, some replacement have been taken over on the production, and lemma 2, which is about left recursion, how to remove a left recursion. So you have to add one more non-terminal to the existing non-terminal. Okay, it has some form. This is the form. Let us see one problem. The first problem, construct the textbook exercise problem. See, there will be no worked problem on your textbook, only exercise problem. This is the only exercise problem for Grebec normal form. Construct a grammar in Grebec normal form. Equivalent. Equivalent to the grammar. Very simple. Only the two productions. I will add only two production. Yes, produce A. Then A produce yes, B. Okay. Solution. So there are plenty of Quebec normal form lectures available in YouTube. In some lectures, like Nizo Academy, in some lectures, if the production rules are in the form of yes, A, it's like that means they will, at the very first step, they will convert this production, the number, like the non-terminals, yes, A, they will give another name for non-terminals, like, so they may give yes for A1 and A for A2. Okay, actually they did this renaming as the first step. Okay, but it is not a mandatory one, it is the optional one. Okay, so so this, in many lectures they will consider the first step as renaming the existing non-terminals. Okay, like starting symbol, which is A1 means the next non-terminal, which is A2. Here only two non-terminals are available in your grammar, but this is the optional one. Okay, I'm not following this renaming concept. I will directly apply the rule. Okay. So see, only two productions are available. The first thing, which production I should take as the first one? Okay, which production I should take? That's the question for this Quebec normal form. Okay, so for Quebec normal form, you will start a production which is not a starting starting symbol. Okay, see here the first production, which is the starting production, right? Starting symbol production. The second production, which is not starting production. Here only two productions are available. Okay, so there is no more confusions on this problem. I will choose A. Okay, because A is not yet starting production. Okay, so I will choose A. So let us take A. Okay, let us take the production. The production A produce yes, B. Okay, so I will take this production as the first production to proceed. Okay. Next, lemma 1. Okay, so based on lemma 1 means okay, some replacement. So I will replace the first yes based on lemma 1. Okay, so based on lemma 1, so lemma 1, which is nothing but some replacement or some substitution. Based on lemma 1, I will replace the first yes with yes production. Okay, so I will replace not only the first yes. Okay, so the answer, which is A produce A produce, okay, in the first place of yes, I will replace this yes with yes production. Okay, so it is this production, yes produced 2 times A and one single non terminal A. So yes replaced with A, then the last yes. Okay, this is one production. Again, the second production B, second production. So I'm not writing the second production as second. One more production for yes, right? That is single A, right? So A, the second production. So in the place of first A only, I will replace. I will applying the A productions, right? Okay. So one more A is the A. Then the remaining A production, which is B. Is it clear or not? Is it clear? Based on lemma 1, I will make some replacement or substitutions. Okay. In this problem, only 2 productions are available. So I will choose the second production as the first one to proceed the problem. Okay. So what is the second production? A produce yes or B. Okay. How A? See, so A starting with yes, right? So actually 2 S are available, but don't consider the second yes. A starting with the non-terminal yes. In the place of yes, the first yes, I will replace yes productions. Okay, S production. It should be as A yes instead of A. A. See, wait. I will come to the problem. See, this is the production. Yes production. Okay, I will write the S production. S produce A bar A. ஓகேவா நான் எஸ் ப்ரொடக்ஷன் இப்போ நான் என்ன பண்றேன் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஏ சி எஸ் ப்ரொடக்ஷன் சாரி இது வந்து ஏ ப்ரொடக்ஷன் எஸ் எஸ் ஓகே ஸோ இந்த ரெண்டு ப்ரொடக்ஷன் நான் இப்போ எது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கேன் ஏ ப்ரொடக்ஷன் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்றேன் ப்ரொசீட் பண்றேன் ஏ ப்ரொடக்ஷன் அது செகண்ட் ப்ரொடக்ஷன்ல இருந்து நான் வந்து இந்த ப்ராப்ளமை ஸ்டார்ட் பண்றேன் ஒன்று ரெண்டு ப்ரொடக்ஷன் தான் இருக்கு நான் செகண்ட் சூஸ் பண்றேன் ஓகே ஸோ நார்மலா என்ன சொல்லிருக்க ஸ்டார்டிங் ப்ரொடக்ஷனை வந்து நம்ம வந்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ண வேண்டாம் ஓகே ஸ்டார்டிங் ப்ரொடக்ஷன் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ண வேண்டாம் செகண்ட் ப்ரொடக்ஷன் ஏ ப்ரொடியூஸ் எஸ் பார்பி ஓகேவா எதுல ஸ்டார்ட் பண்றது செகண்ட் ப்ரொடக்ஷன் ஸ்டார்டிங் வித் எஸ் ஓகேவா செகண்ட் ப்ரொடக்ஷன் ஸ்டார்டிங் வித் எஸ் ரெண்டு எஸ் இருக்கு செகண்ட் எஸ் நீங்க ஜஸ்ட் கன்சிடர் பண்ணாதீங்க ஜஸ்ட் லீவ் இட் ஓகே என்னோட ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எஸ் பிகாஸ் the main theme in a Grebec normal form starting with terminal. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ப்ரொடக்ஷன் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்றது டெர்மினல்ல ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணணும் அதுக்கப்புறம் எவ்வளவு நம்பர் ஆஃப் நான் டெர்மினல்ஸ் இருந்தாலும் நமக்கு பிரச்சனையே கிடையாது ஓகே நம்மளோட மெயின் கோல் வந்து நான் டெர்மினல் ப்ரொடியூஸ் எ டெர்மினல் ஸோ எனி நம்பர் ஆஃப் நான் டெர்மினல் ஓகே ஸோ எனி நம்பர் ஆஃப் நான் டெர்மினல் இதுதான் நம்ம கோல் ஸோ அந்த கோலை ரீச் பண்றதுக்காக நம்ம இதெல்லாம் பண்றோம் ஸோ நான் லெம்மா ஒன் பேஸ் பண்ணா சம் சப்ஸ்டிடியூஷன் ஸோ நாங்க வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஏயோட ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எஸ் சூஸ் பண்ணிருக்கிறேன் அந்த எஸ் நான் என்ன பண்றேன் ரீப்ளேஸ்டு பை எஸ் ப்ரொடக்ஷன் ஓகேவா ஸோ எஸ் ப்ரொடக்ஷன்லாம் என்ன இருக்கு எஸ் ப்ரொடக்ஷன்ல ரெண்டு ப்ரொடக்ஷன் இருக்கு ஓகே ஒரு ப்ரொடக்ஷன் இல்ல ரெண்டு ப்ரொடக்ஷன் இருக்கு ஓகே அப்போ இந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எஸ்ல நான் என்ன பண்றேன் எஸ்க்கு பதிலா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ப்ரொடக்ஷன் அப்ளை பண்றேன் ஓகே as s produce 2 times a இது நான் என்ன பண்றேன் s க்கு பதிலா 2 times A போட்டேன். ஓகேவா? செகண்ட் S நான் அப்படியே போட்டேன். ஓகேவா? நெக்ஸ்ட் ப்ரொடக்ஷன் இருக்கா? எஸ்க்கு இன்னொரு ப்ரொடக்ஷன் இருக்கா? ஸோ அப்போ அந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எஸ்ல நான் என்ன பண்றேன், செகண்ட் ப்ரொடக்ஷன் ஆட் பண்றேன். பிகாஸ் எஸ் வந்து 2 ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணுது, நாட் 1. 2 times ஏயும் எஸ் ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்றது, சிங்கிள் ஏயும் ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணுது. ஸோ இந்த எஸ்க்கு பதிலாக நெக்ஸ்ட் நான் என்ன பண்றேன், ஏ அப்ளை பண்றேன். செகண்ட் எஸ் இருக்கா, அதை அப்படியே போட்டுட்டேனா. ஸோ சாரி, இதுல தான் நீங்க சாரி தேங்க்யூ பாஸ். ஆக்சுவலி அந்த நேம் யாருன்னு மறந்துச்சு. ஓகே, ஸோ இதுல தான் நான் என்ன பண்றேன், ஏஎஸ் தான் போடுறேன். ஓகே, எஸ் போடணுமா? ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் இந்த பியை நான் என்ன பண்ணிட்டுறேன், அப்படியே போட்டேன், அவ்வளோதான். ஓகே, ஸோ பேஸ்ட் ஆன் லெம்மா 1, A produce SS bar B, which turns into this. Okay, is it clear? So now is it clear? Say yes or no. Nandini, very thank you. Is it clear now? Okay, so what about others? Is it clear? Okay, what about others? I need at least 5 answers. Okay, thank you. Next, okay, based on lemma 1, the second production, which is turns into this one. Okay, next, see A production again starting with A production. A starting with A. Okay, so this is called left recursion. A starting with A. This is called left recursion. How to remove left recursion? Okay, how to remove left recursion means, based on, if you are applying lemma 2 means you can remove left recursion. Okay, so lemma 2, which is for removing left recursion in the existing production rule. Okay, so in this production rule, left recursion is happened because the production A, which starts with again A. Okay, so left recursion. So I will remove left recursion. How? Lemma 2. Based on lemma 2, okay, so lemma 2. So what do you mean by lemma 2? See here, in the lemma 2, I will take this part. A produce A alpha 1, A alpha 2. So the first A, okay, so the first A, which is A. Okay, I will rewrite again this production. Wait, so A, 2 times A, yes, then A, yes, then B. Okay, same. A again starts with A. Okay, this is, I will consider this is A. The remaining part, which is considered alpha 1, this is considered A produce A alpha 1. See, this is the grammar. A produce A alpha 1. Okay, then one more starting with A means alpha 2. But here, see, in our example, there is only one production which starts with A. Okay, see, there is only one production which starts with capital A. So this is in the form of A alpha 1. So remaining productions, I will take remaining productions as beta. Okay, so the remaining productions are beta. Okay, so in my example, there will be only one production which starts with capital A. So the first A, which is as same A, the remaining production which is alpha 1. So this is A, yes, this is beta 1. The remaining productions are beta productions, beta 2. Okay, so the identification is which is over. So next, what is the rule? I will write the rule. The rule actually, which is, if A produce A alpha 1 or A alpha 2, which is n times. Okay. Then again A produce beta 1, then beta 2 is up to beta n. If in this form means it will converted into A produce beta I. Okay. Then A produce beta I append with one more production, one more non-terminal B. Okay, I'm going to add one more non-terminal B. Alpha I, then B produce alpha I append with B. Okay, this is the rule. So the answer, which is A produce beta 1, first beta I, that is beta 1. So A produce AS, okay. Then A produce beta I append with B. So A produce AS B. Okay. Next A produce next beta 2, that is B. Okay. Next A produce beta I append with B. Okay. Append with B. Okay. This is over. Next B production. The B production, which is B. So one more production is added. One more non-terminal. One more. Yeah. B. B produce alpha I, right? So here what is alpha 1? Only one alpha production, right? Alpha 1, which is AS. So B produce AS. B produce AS. Next, B produce alpha I append with beta. So what is only one alpha production? So AS append with B. AS append with B. Okay. This is the lemma 2. Based on lemma 2, okay, one more production is added. One more non-terminal is added. So the A productions are converted into this. Okay. Now the grammar consists of the following productions. I will write once again the production in the right manner. So I will write the productions again. First, S production. I'll start with S production. So S produced A and small a. Then the A production, which is AS, then ASB, then RB, RBB. Okay, this is A production. Next, one more production, that is B production. B produced AS, then ASB. Our problem is not yet over because few productions are only starts with terminal. Okay, remaining productions are only starts with non-terminal. Okay. Again, a lemma 1. Okay. So apply based on lemma 1. So apply lemma 1 to the production S production. So I will start here the S production. Okay. Apply lemma 1 to the production S produce. Okay. Next I will start I will take. Lemma 1 means some substitutions. Okay. So S starts with A. So the first A. Okay. I will replace the first A with A productions. Okay. So I will directly write the answer. S produced. The first place of A, I will replace A productions. So what's the first A production? AS A, the next A. Next, the next A production, A, S, capital B, then next A. Okay. The next S production, which is B, the B, then A. The next production, BB, then BB, A. Okay. The last production, which is A production. Okay. A. So these are S productions. Okay. Now apply lemma 1 to the production B, B production. The productions, that is B production, B produce AS, ASB. Okay. In the place of A, so I will replace with A productions. Okay. So again, A productions. 4 productions are available. So B produce, first A replaced with A production, AS, yes. Then ASB, A production, the next S. Then third B production, then next S. Then B production, next S. It's almost A production, the 4 productions which is over. Next A, which is replaced with again A production, the first A production, AS, then remaining part. Next A production, ASB, then the remaining part. Next B, A production with B, then remaining part. Then B, next last product, A production BB, the remaining part, that is SB. Okay, so these are all the B productions. Okay, so almost all starts with terminal. B production. S production also, all S production starts with B. Okay, so coming to A production also all starts with terminal. The final answer. Okay, the final answer. So A production, A, yes, ASB, B, BB. Okay. If I follow the order means the first production, which is S production. Okay, S production is A, SA, ASBA, BA, BBA, A. I think 5 productions. Let us see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. A, SA, ASBA, BA, BBA, A. The remaining B production. Okay, this is their final answer. So we have 2 production. See, this is your input. Okay, as produced AA bar A, the A produced 2 times S and bar B. This input which is converted into is the output. Mike, please unmute. Mute பண்ணிக்கோ. Okay. So class முடிஞ்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் நீங்க என்ன பண்ணணும்னா வாட்ஸ் த அப்ளிகேஷன் ஆஃப் கிரெபெக் நார்மல் ஃபார்ம். ஸோ எதுக்கு நம்ம வந்து ஒரு கிராமரை வந்து கிரெபெக் நார்மல் ஃபார்ம் அண்ட் சாம்ஸ்கி நார்மல் ஃபார்ம் எதுக்கு நம்ம கன்வெர்ட் பண்றோம், கன்வெர்ட் பண்றதுனால என்ன யூஸ்? ஆக்சுவலா இது சில பேரோட மைண்ட்ல வந்திருக்கும். ஓகே, ஸோ அந்த அப்ளிகேஷன் okay, this is your homework part. That is today homework. Okay, so just the application of Grebeck normal form as well as Chomsky normal form. Okay, so this is the input. So based on the two lemmas, I will convert and get these. This is the final output. Okay, so is it clear? The idea is clear or not? Okay. This is the time for discussion. Is there any doubt? Please ask me. The second topic in Unit 4, which is Grebeck normal form. The first topic, simplification over, and it's actually the second topic, Chomsky normal form, which is the third topic. Okay. So afternoon we will have one more session, session 6. Again, let us see one more problem on Grebeck normal form. Okay. So I have already posted assignment number 3. Okay, for all the 3 sections, respectively for exams classroom. Okay, so only 6 questions are available. 5 questions only 2 mark. Okay, very simple. Your assignment. Okay, so I will give 1 week time to complete the assignment. Do the assignment and submission on time. Thank you, students. Thank you.